Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at the Labor Day Harbor Freight sale. So let's dive in. So guys, just a reminder, for the Labor Day sale, you get 10% off for everyone, and if you're inside Track Club, you get 20% off any single item. So remember those when you're looking at all these deals going on right now. But we're going to check out some of these instant savings deals. You can see a couple of these great items right here. So if you need to check some of these out. Also, we have some drying towels on sale. You got different ones. We got the Grant drying towel. Then we also have the microfiber cleaning cloths as well. Multiple in that pack. Then we even have the Merlin hose here. Get to grab one of those if you need one. Then we even have the Bauer metal cutting shears, 44 bucks. And then we even have the little sander here if you need a palm sander, $19. Great deal on that. If you're going to be changing your oil, you can grab one of these right here for 4 bucks. Again, a great deal. Definitely a great price. And then we have the container here, the 5-gallon diesel container, Midwestern right here. So if you need to grab one of those, you can definitely do it and save you a little bit of money. Then we get into a couple more instant saving deals right here. If you need some organization, you can definitely grab some of these. Then we also see the Merlin tips right here. So if you need to grab some of these pistol grips, you can definitely do that right here for just over 2 bucks. We also have the oil filter pliers. Always great to have some of those. Cable ties, definitely a great thing to grab. Then we have some magnetic parts holders for the U.S. General, especially if you have some of their carts. And then we can see even just the regular metal one here, and even some larger option for zip ties. Then we have some gloves. Every time we work on our vehicles, great to have some of these gloves. So you can definitely grab some of these. Stick them on, again, the U.S. General option right there. Also has central pneumatic gravity-fed spray gun. So you need to grab one of those. You can grab for 23 bucks. McGraw air wrench there. Great price for that one. And then also Bauer angle grinder as well. Then we even have some tires here for 7 bucks. Great to have some of those. You need to change out some of your small tires. And then we even have the gas can as well for 19 bucks right there. A couple other great instant savings deals. One of the two-way hose connectors. Always great to have one of those, especially with our kids. And then we even have some pliers here for Pittsburgh. A couple different options and different sets you can have right there. We have the spray bottles. So if you need to grab some of these for different things around the house. And then we even have some other options right here for working with electrical. And then we have a couple of Pittsburgh sockets. Grab some of those. And then even a few drill bits right there for 2 bucks. Reflective sign for $5. Again, another great option right there. Then we just have some of the other loose clamps and other pliers right there as well. So you can definitely grab some of those. 50-foot electrical drop cord here. 20 bucks. It's a great price for that. Another set of tires and casters. So if you need, some tires or casters to switch out, you can definitely do that. We also have the drill right there for 14 bucks. Great price on that. Then we have 2 different sets of tarps. You can definitely grab some of these, save you some money, and get everything cleaned up or covered up, whatever it might be. But again, remember, you can use that 10 or 20% off code. We also have this little hanger right here for your U.S. General cart. Then we even had some deals going on for some of the batteries. So if you need to grab some batteries, again, another great price on these. Always great to grab some of these. You never know when you're going to need them. Then I just want to show you a couple of these instant savings deals when you are inside Track Club. You can see the regular price right there. And these are some of the deals that you get if you're on the inside Track Club. So if you're wondering about, should I buy it or should I get it? Is it worth it? You can even see it right here that you're definitely going to be able to make your money back just in a few different purchases right here. But here are just a few other deals you can see that you will save a few bucks even on these discounts and even on these deals. So if you're thinking about jumping in and getting part of the Inside Track Club, I do recommend you grab that, especially if you're going to be buying items at Harbor Freight. Here's a few more deals. We saw the McGraw air wrench earlier, But there are a couple other options right here. You see all these other options and other deals right here. Some are in the McGraw, some are Chief, and just a bunch of different options right there. You see all these deals, 19 bucks, 39 bucks. Again, a lot of different prices, a lot of different great deals on these. So if you're interested in any of these right now, definitely a great time to go ahead, buy some of these, pick it up. Great options and some great prices right here. And again, some of these are, again, right down here on the bottom as well. So definitely some great options if you are interested, or if you need any of these, definitely go check them out. Some of these were picked over, as you can see in my store, and even down here in the clearance section, all of these were picked over. So make sure you check out and see if there's any available at your Harbor Freight. Then we also, again, we see the reflective strips, another great price. Definitely grab that if you're interested. Also wanted to show you guys that Hercules is still having a pretty good deal. That what you can do right here, you can buy any 2 tools for $99.99. So any of these 11 tools, see the different options there. So if you need any type of drill or even this little blower or any kind of thing like that, Hercules is definitely a great brand, and they're definitely going to do a great job for you. So make sure you keep an eye out for those and this great deal right here. We also had some clearance items right here on this self primer. So if you need some of those, you can see a lot of them have been picked over at my store, but you can let me know if they're still at yours. And again, we saw these up front, just making sure y'all saw this little 4-piece adapter set right here, $3, a great price on that one. Then we see the Atlas batteries. You get a free tool if you buy this battery for $139. So if you need any of these, this is definitely a great time to go ahead, pick it up, check these out, and you get a free tool when you purchase this battery. Then we also see here the circular saw for $40. Again, Bauer brand definitely is going to do a good job for you there. Great deal, great price. Then we also see this right here on sale, the compact palm polisher. Mine was picked over, but if you're interested, you can check that out. Again, I showed you this earlier, the Warrior deal. That is one of the cheapest options for a drill. If you just need a drill to keep in your truck, it's probably a great one to grab. Then I saw this option right here. Again, you get $30 off if you're inside Track Club for the Bauer option right there. Then they also have the Hercules one right here as well. You get $15 off of this. So again, inside Track, definitely worth it for some of these items. If you need some drill bits, here are some on clearance. We have the titanium, black oxide, and the cobalt. So you can check out some of these prices right here. Definitely grab those with the little case it comes with. We also have the Bauer option right here for the little rotary hammer drill for $39. Definitely a great option for that option right there. Then we even see another Bauer option if you need the reciprocating saw here for $40 as well. Got some great deals on Bauer. Then we even see another deal right here for $50, the Chicago Electric toe kick saw. Grab one of those. And then we saw a couple of these US Generals options right here for some magnets just to kind of hang on the side, hang on some tools. So a bunch of different deals on that. But don't forget to check out Harbor Freight this Labor Day. You can get 10% off or 20% off if you're part of the Inside Track Club. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. Also, if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.